So good day, grade 2. Welcome to our discussion in Science 2, the characteristic of matter. So we have the characteristic of matter, and these are the length, mass, volume, color, shape, and texture. So last time we talked about the length, so now we are just going to talk about the mass. So now I want you to look at the picture, then answer this question. So I have here, again, the 1 kilo of cotton and the 1 kilo of apple. So which of the apple and the cotton is heavier? So which among the two is heavier? It is the 1 kilo of cotton or the 1 kilo of apple? Okay, very good. They are the same, or they have the same kilo. Now, there are different materials that you see around. Some materials are similar to one another. Other materials are different. But one thing that is common among all the materials is they have a mass. So mass is the amount of material in an object. This means that the mass of an object tells how much material is present in it. When you say that the object is light or heavy, you are describing its mass. A light object has less mass, while the heavy object has a greater mass. So, just like in the picture, we have here the feather and the rock. So, the feather is light, while the stone is heavy. So, it has a less mass compared to the stone, which has a greater mass. So you can tell the mass of an object by using a measuring tool. So a measuring tool is an instrument that is used to determine the exact amount of a certain object. The specific measuring tool that is used to tell the mass of an object is called a weighing scale. And we have three types of weighing scale. These are the balance scale, digital weighing scale, and the mechanical weighing scale. So let's talk about the balance scale. Balance scale is used to compare the mass of an object. It does not give the exact mass of an object, but it tells us which object is heavier or lighter, just like in the picture. Next is the digital weighing scale. Digital weighing scale gives the exact mass of an object. When the object is placed on the weighing pan, number will be flashed on its screen. The number tells the mass of an object. A kilogram is often used as the unit to describe the mass of an object. Other units used to describe the mass of an object are pounds and the grams. So this is an example of digital weighing scale. And the last one is the mechanical weighing scale. So mechanical weighing scale used to measure the mass of an object. In this type of balance, the person manually read the mass of an object. When the object is placed on the weighing pan, the pointer will move to a certain number, and the person will then read the number where the pointer stops. So this number tells the mass of the object. So an object is said to be light when it has less mass. So thin objects are usually lighter compared to thicker objects. However, there are small objects that are heavy for their size. The materials that make up small but heavy objects are compact. You can compare the mass of materials by telling first how much they weigh. If an object weighs less than the other object, then it is lighter. If an object weighs more than the other object, then it is heavier. So that is the mass. So I hope you learned something for today. That is the end of our discussion. Thank you for listening and watching. Till next time, bye!